Why should you invest time to learn about cryptocurrency? Mainly, because global digital currency is coming quicker than you know, whether you want to accept it or not. Revelation 13, verse 16. And he causeth all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in their right hand, or in their foreheads. Verse 17. And that no man might buy or sell, save he that had the mark, or the name of the beast, or the number of his name. And verse 18. Here is wisdom. Let him that hath understanding count the number of the beast, for it is the number of a man, and his number is 666. Here's a few topics I'll be teaching. 1. Comprehending decentralization. The reason for learning how to use cryptocurrency is because it's completely decentralized, which means that there is no control of the government or a bank. Only the person with the cryptocurrency account owns it. The decentralized structure of cryptocurrency gives total freedom to every person who learns to manage his or her personal account without the involvement of government or central authorities. We will discuss some of the career opportunities emerging in this sector. The popularity of cryptocurrencies is increasing at a rapid rate. There is a massive number of opportunities in the field of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. According to many crypto experts, there is going to be a flood of jobs in this sector in the near future. Hence, those who are ahead of the curve and learning about cryptocurrency will enjoy a secure and prosperous future. Another topic among many that this class will cover is how cryptocurrency is easily accessible to provide instant settlements. Due to blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies are easy to use and one can easily enjoy instant settlement using cryptocurrency platforms. Unlike other traditional exchange systems, cryptocurrency platforms are easily accessible to everyone. All one needs is an internet connection and a smart device to join the cryptocurrency world. To join now, click the link provided in the comment section of this video. Thanks for listening.